Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some TigerTough seat covers for the GMC Savana and Chevrolet Express. Let's get started. All right, this is how the package will arrive to you. It's going to be in a TigerTough bag like this. It's going to have your part number label right here, so you can just double check that you have the right one. This happens to be part number 62126 BLK, which is the black seat covers for Chevrolet Express vans, GMC Savana vans, and making them the same since, I don't know, 1996 or something like that, and they still fit all the way up to 2024. So just gonna cut this bag open real quick, making sure I'm not gonna hit any product in there, although I'm sure it could stand up to my blade. Get everything out of here. Now, one thing I want to show you that's really unique about TigerTough seat covers as opposed to a lot of other brands out there is they give you fully illustrated vehicle-specific installation instructions. It shows you photos of the actual van you're putting this in rather than just kind of a generic seat. Trying to figure that out. So we have right here, they give you a little breakdown of materials that should be included in here. Driver back, driver bottom, passenger back, passenger bottom, and then the string locks. I did say that they've been making the Savana since the same way since '96, but according to this is 2016 when these particular seat covers fit, but you can also get them for those older models as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got in here. We do have a label right here that says driver, so we know exactly where this is going. Some seat cover manufacturers do not do that. Let me just figure out if this is a bottom or a back. This is a seat bottom. Just kind of tell by the shape here. The other kind of giveaway is it has the string lock attached. And this is a neat little tool that helps you get a really nice tight fit around the seat, because there's these two strings right here that go around the bottom of the seat. And if you pull this really tight, it keeps the seat cover on there nice and tightly. It keeps it from moving around or shifting when you're getting in and out of the vehicle and so on. And so to get this really tight, they give you this string lock, which is basically a tool to give you a bunch of leverage and get that string as tight as possible. So you kind of string one side through like that. You stick in the other side like that. And then you can really kind of use some leverage and pull against each other and lock it in place and get a really nice tight grip on that seat. So this is our seat bottom right here. Again, this is that gray color, or excuse me, black color. It also comes in gray and tan. So this is our driver bottom. And this, I can tell just from the shape, is a seat back because of the iconic shape of those Savana and Express vans. That really kind of ovular seat there. Also says driver right here. Right here you can see it says airbag. We have this white stitching around here. This is a part of the seat cover that is designed to tear away when your airbag deploys, so you can retain functionality of your airbag and be protected and all of that. So it's nice to see that they have that built in the seat cover. All your other seams that aren't white are pretty much unbreakable and unterrible and all of that. These are some solid seat covers that you're not going to be able to wear out over time, and it's really going to protect the investment of your vehicle, as well as just add a little bit more aesthetic to the van. So again, right here we have our bottom for our passenger, clearly labeled. Again, we have our string lock. You can see we have a hole right here. Must be some type of adjustment on the seat right there that they accommodated for, which is nice. Sometimes we get the question of, does it include a headrest cover? And the answer is yes, if there is a divorced headrest, or, you know, the Savana is a good example of the headrest is built into the seat back. It doesn't come off and so on and so forth. But if you do have that headrest that is removable, they'll give you an extra seat cover or an extra cover for that particular part of the seat. So you'll take that out, you'll put your seat back on, cover on, and then you'll put that headrest back in place, and then there's a separate cover for that particular headrest. So again, we have our passenger side. Again, we have our tear away airbag location right there. A nice little TigerTough logo right here, and everything that we need to go. Looks like there is an armrest that this accommodates for as well. Doesn't cover the armrest, but it gives you this nice little Velcro area to get around that armrest for putting this on the vehicle. We're going to be installing this in the Savana behind me in another video, so be sure to check that out. We're also going to do a little comparison video of this standard material. This is our standard TigerTough iron weave material. They also have a tactical seat cover for this van, basically the same. So we're going to show you some of those differences in another video. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check that out as well. Now, if you're looking for these seat covers or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan, and have a good one.